Right. So moving on to the production of NADPH. ठीक है? And this process involves non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So if you look at this image here, it says that it involves both photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 and follows a Z scheme of electron flow. So let's talk about that. So light is absorbed by both the photosystems and electrons are excited and emitted by the primary pigments of both of the photosystem. Electrons हो गए emit. अब ये electrons are absorbed by electron acceptors and pass along a chain of electron carriers. And पीछे क्योंकि electron lose हो गया है तो photosystems are left positively charged. ठीक है? So the primary pigment of photosystem 1 absorbs electrons from photosystem 2, whose primary pigment receives a replacement electron from the photolysis of water. So if you look at it right here, ठीक है, you have photosystem 2 and you have photosystem 1. ठीक है ना? So photosystem 2 is, wait, let me. So if you look at it right here, this is photosystem 2 and it is getting its refill of electrons from the photolysis of water. इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्साइट होकर इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर के पास जा रहा है एंड इट इज़ बीइंग ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू फोटोसिस्टम 1 एंड फोटोसिस्टम 1 का इलेक्ट्रॉन इज गेटिंग एक्साइटेड अप टू दी its own respective electron acceptor, and यहाँ से NADP plus is being reduced to NADPH, right? So a few points to note over here is के आपकी जो चेन है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर चेन है, उसमें प्लास्टिकोनीन है, प्लास्टोक्विनोन, sorry, and then a cytochrome complex and a copper containing protein called plastocyanin. So as electron moves down the first electron transport chain, their energy goes on decreasing and is used by the thylakoid membranes to produce ATP. This is how ATP is produced. And this is called the process of photophosphorylation. And ATP and NADPH is generated during non-cyclic phosphorylation. ठीक है? So and the rest is just a revision of the cyclic photophosphorylation. And यहाँ पे they have a few important points कि the light reaction is switched to cyclic phosphorylation when ATP produced by the non-cyclic phosphorylation is not enough to enter the Calvin cycle. So the NADPH accumulates in the chloroplast and shifts from non-cyclic to cyclic flow until जो ATP है उसकी demand complete हो जाती है.